What is going on, YouTube? We got another knife review for you today, and yeah, I know. Got something else from Eafengrow in the shop. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we're going to get right into this. Alright, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, that's right, you caught a little bit of my hesitation in the opening. Today we're going to take a look at the Eafengrow E like Echo, F like Foxtrot 223. Now, the reason for a bit of my hesitation is going to be when you click on that little link that I'm going to provide right there. That's going to take you to one of the first Eafengrows we ever brought into the shop, and that was a zero tolerance knockoff. Now, this one, I got to tell you honestly, I saw it on a Facebook group that I belong to, and I had to buy it for one reason. And I figured, why not? Let's bring it to the damn channel. Now, some of you may know or may not, Eafengrows are Chinese made, alright? So there's not like a huge website that you can go to, like eafengrow.com, that I found to be able to buy them. But I know you guys are like, shut up, fat ass, show me the blade. There you go. Whoop, here, let's pan you out. There you go. That is the reason I bought it. Because that just reminds me of EA Sports. It's in the game. Now, here's what shocked me. It's D2 steel. That shocked me, especially for the price. Okay? But let's get into the stats. Now, overall, it's got a length of about 8 inches. The blade is about 3.7. And, closed, it's 4.3. It's got an okay weight to it of about 3.9 ounces. And like I said, it's D2 steel. Got me thinking. Is it really? I don't know. But we're going to touch on that in a moment. Now, the scales on it are neat little texturized G10. I don't know if you can see it too well on there. There we go. And it fits really well on your hand. I don't know why they did the jimping. At least that's what I'm calling it. But it seems to add something to the blade. It has a one-position pocket clip, which is only tip up. And as you can see right there, the centering is pretty freaking dead on. The pocket clip is deep carry, and there's your lanyard hole. Now, it does have, like I said, the flipper open on a ball bearing system. Now, it's not like an IKBS, but there's ball bearings in there. It does have a, they're calling it a liner lock, but I thought of it's more of like a subframe lock. Okay, and it's got like the little stainless steel frame. Now, I know, it doesn't look like much, okay? But now, I don't know if you can see that too well, but there are little granules of paper on there. So that means there are some still rough spots that will come out with a strop. But I know you should be able to see that. How it's kind of tearing through. It's gliding through, but it's got rough spots. So that'll come out with a strop. I ain't too worried about that. Alright. Now, like I said, I can't find like an eafengrow.com or anyone who sells these massively online. But I did find this one in a couple different colors on eBay. Anywhere going from $23.92 to $40. But over on Amazon, which is where I do a god-awful amount of knife shopping, you can find it for $19.99. Now, I can't find a single rating over on eBay for the blade because you usually only rate the sellers on eBay. But over on Amazon, it's got a 4.6 out of 5-star rating with 17 reviews. Sorry if you hear the sirens in the background. We've got an active shooter situation in my area today. And hopefully that's just police sirens and that's not an ambulance. But anywho, I want to know what you guys think about this blade. I know it's a quick little overview. I do like the black stonewash finish that it has. I did think that was really freaking cool. Or the appearance of a false edge up here, even though it's not, and it's really freaking thick. But, you know, I want to know what you think. As usual, you know, down below. Questions, comments, hatred, love, whatever. Something. That way I know someone's watching and at least gives a crap. That's a joke, guys, okay? If you're a first-time viewer to the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to watch one of our videos. It means the world to me, especially with the amount of, how should I say, content that's available out there on YouTube. I'm touched that you chose one of mine. You should be seeing a symbol popping up right over here. Go and click, 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 click. That'll bring you right to subscribe. After you've destroyed that subscribe button, please nail that bell icon. That will let you know every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, I'll be popping up over here. Those are going to be ones that YouTube's going to select from my catalog of videos that they think is going to be a great viewing experience for you. I want to thank you guys so much for watching my quick little overview on the Eafengrow Echo Foxtrot 223. Hope you all have an incredible day.